bringing in the two Benazir Bhutto cases and all the way down to 2023, this court has recognized the salience of political parties in our system. The Indian Constitution does not.
इस पे क्या दो राय हैं?
जी, इसलिए मैं अर्ज ये कर रहा हूं कि जब आप इंटरप्रेट करने बैठेंगे 5160 और E को, my lord had asked me what are the principles which are violated if we allow a party which has not contested the election to be a party that is given reserved seats on account of independents joining it. My answer was none, and in fact doing so will promote all of these principles. We would have promoted the formation of a political party inside parliament. We would have promoted the representative character of the National Assembly.
I can resolve all these things with a very easy thing.
Sir,
a simple query which I keep asking, which you don't answer. Why did you not join PTI?
Because there was no need to, sir, and that is my response.
That's it, huh? So I don't understand that.
My response is there was no bar to us joining.
Yeah, but that was suicidal on your part.
And that
was it
will
not?
be only if my lord so decides.
Okay.
I'm still hoping that this is not how it will be decided.
Raja Sahab, these 86 members, did they, while filing their nomination papers, give an affidavit that they are contesting as candidates of PTI?
Yes, Lord, the nomination paper requires, yes.
If they were not independent,
certificate of
नहीं, वो
They were
independent
not
नहीं है, उनको
independent.
मान लेते हैं PTI के हैं.
they were
Then
not,
you will lose
they were
your
not
ticket.
independents, but were the integrity of the electoral process, did people have confidence in that? Should this court just shut its
My
eyes?
lord will again chide me for saying things.
No,
I
no,
will
that's
not.
a reality. Why,
No, no.
why can't you speak the reality?
My lord can speak the reality better. I have to be careful in what I say and what I will be reprimanded for. Let me very quickly point to page 26 of this paper book, the landmark Benazir Bhutto case, and in particular, page 30. But I'll come back and I will address what my lord is saying. My heart is entirely with my lord, but I have to steer my mind in a certain direction. Kindly see at page 30, last paragraph. A political party has its significance. Now, this was the judgment which really later on matures into the Nawaz Sharif judgment regarding the salience of political parties in our system. A political party has its significance in the context of the political system provided
हम
by
आपसे
the
कह रहे हैं, मैं एग्री
Constitution.
कर रहे हैं इस बात पे, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की सिग्निफिकेंस में कोई इतराज
अगर आप ये कह रही है ना ऐसी पार्टी हो जिसने एक सीट जीती है लेकिन अगर एक नहीं जीती तो 86 का
नहीं। बात सिंपल सी है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से कोई इनकार नहीं
इसलिए मैं ये
है।
कह रहा
बात सुन
हूं-
ले सर।
जी।
इसलिए मैंने नहीं पूछा, प्लीज डोंट इंटरफेयर।
My lord.
देखिए बात सिंपल सी है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, उससे किसी को इनकार नहीं है। कुछ चंद पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को आप ये बेनिफिट तो है कि कोई इसमें शामिल हो जाए, नो डाउट हर कोई शामिल हो सकता है। आप मेरी तरफ तवज्जो देंगे,
मैं सुन रहा हूं, बिल्कुल सुन रहा हूं।
आप देख नहीं रहे।
नहीं सर, मैं आपका बात है।
तो दूसरी बात ये कि एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जिसने इलेक्शन लड़ा, एक या एक से ज्यादा, उनको एक इंसेंटिव मिला है कि जिन्होंने मेहनत की है, जिन्होंने सीट जीती है, लोगों के डोर टू डोर गए, लोगों ने उनको वोट दिए, उनको एक इंसेंटिव दिया कि ये आजाद जो है अगर आपके पास शामिल होंगे तो फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ रिजर्व सीट दे आर एंटाइटल्ड। अदरवाइज आजाद है, जब भी चाहे जहां जाए, कोई पाबंदी नहीं, किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में या पार्लियामेंट के अंदर हो या बाहर हो, इसमें तो कोई दो राय
सर,
नहीं है।
मेरी गुजारिश इसके जवाब में
बेनिफिट
यही है कि the Constitution is not making a distinction between a political party that is contested or won a seat and a political party which is otherwise there. I know of many political parties. For years, I was member of the Awami Workers Party. We used to go door to door, but never contested an election because we never had the resources to contest an election. That does not mean that we were not active in society. And if somebody were to join us in Parliament, we would welcome it. So to say that a political party which is not present in parliament does not exist in society, does not exist in
इसको ऐसे करें,
जी।
ये जो आपके 86 मेंबर्स हैं,
जी।
उनने SIC ज्वाइन कर दिया. Have they become members of that particular party?
now, yes, Lord, they have.
They are. So they are no more members of PTI.
No.
You sure about that?
But let me get, there's a question, let me get an answer to this. Let me see.
That's obvious.
But there has to be, you see this,
It seems
because then उनका पूरा complexion बदल जाता है.
इसीलिए मैं फोकस कर रहा हूं, despite my Lord Justice Minallah asking me to argue in that direction that I am a PTI or we are PTI candidates, I am treating us as independents, and I'm saying even if we are independents and even if we have joined a party not already present in parliament.
Now, even your own scheduled time, you said 1.5 hours.
जी, बिल्कुल खत्म हो रहे हैं अब. So जनाब इसमें, if I can go to page 40 of this paper book, this is the second Benazir Bhutto case, and again at page 40, the first paragraph.
Your choice कितनी थी? Mr. Salman Raja, how many political parties were contesting? The elections, Jeff,
But
any idea?
The election commission will have to answer that. I don't know. I don't know.
They won
A very
the
large
seats.
number, about
Who
100.
won at least one seat? How many political?
How many one
उस
seat?
दिन- उस दिन बता रहे थे ना कि वो उनको भी
Just a
मिलेगी, एक
figure.
JUI को भी मिलेगी और
पर हम ये भी देखना चाह रहे हैं ना कि ये चॉइस भी तो आपके पास अवेलेबल थी ना.
Sir,
There's a
respect-
basket of political parties
नहीं, sir,
available
respect-
also. Just understand.
या
it.
आप JUI को भी ज्वाइन कर सकते
couldn't
थे.
have joined
मखदूम
नहीं, sir.
चकजई साहब की पार्टी को भी
मैं अर्ज करूं, इसमें 2-3 considerations थी. We had to feel
ये
comfortable.
किसकी एडवाइस थी वैसे? आप बुरा न माने अगर मैं पूछूं इस
Sir, ये
सवाल,
कौन-
अगर आप नहीं जवाब देना चाहें जवाब कोई
मेरी
बात
नहीं
नहीं.
थी, लेकिन ये confidential within the
ये
party.
आपकी नहीं थी. अच्छा,
No, but I wasn't opposed to it either. I was not.
Tentative numbers, there are 12 parties which have one or more seats in the national.
12.
So we had a choice at most of 13. So what 13 में बिल्कुल ये मुमकिन है, मैं गुजारिश करूं कि उन 13 में किसी के भी चेयरमैन के साथ आपकी ये ना हो अंडरस्टैंडिंग. कल को वो चेयरमैन जो है could take a position that is inimical to what we want done. So we had to find a party with which we have some kind of consonance in the course of action to be followed. So it could not be that we just join a party with one seat because it has one seat. We had to find a party with which we could work, our members could work, and which ultimately may even merge into us. That is the ultimate plan.
Lekin,
So
Raja
there was
Saab, are you being fair to your voters by taking such a decision?
My lord, this is the
Either-
election commission
either-
that has forced us.
No, देखे ना, आप stance बदलते जा रहे हैं.
मैं दोनों stance ले रहा हूं.
नहीं, you see, you have to take a particular stance.
Sir,
But you either say you have been unfair to your voters
No, sir.
and their rights have been violated.
Our voters are very happy with us. So there is nobody, as my Lord Justice Azhar Rizvi asked, has anybody protested against us? No, because we are bound with indiscipline. We are following policies and a course of action. Nobody has gone astray. So there is no question of our voters feeling let down by this. This has been necessitated by the actions of the Election Commission. I wish those actions were otherwise.
I think the Constitution gives you the right, so it would be unfair of us to judge you
Absolutely.
on
So-
that right,
so
exercise
We
of
have
right.
joined a party that we felt we could live with and which we could ultimately merge with. So that was the thinking that went into it. At page 40
But
again.
Raja Saab, even if you had not joined any political party, as a political party, PTI was entitled. The order of the Election Commission
Was wrong.
was per inquiry.
Yes. But my lord, kindly see, a political decision had to be made.
नहीं, यही तो बार बार मैं भी आपको कह रहा हूँ, आपने इनको ज्वाइन क्यों किया?
मैं अर्ज ये कर रहा हूं, we could not be sure that the order of the election commission would ultimately be set aside. We felt it was wrong, but every judicial procedure can result in two outcomes. Either we would have won.
So you can also take,
आपको तो ये
you can also take the
the Chief
stance.
Justice ने जो इलेक्शन सिंबल वाला केस था उसमें स्पेसिफिकली बात आई थी कि रिजर्व सीट का इशू होगा, तो आपको ये कहा था कि अगर ऐसा इशू तो आप आ जाए.
टाइम बड़ा कम था.
आज भी होता तो टाइम होता. क्या आज होता आपकी पिटीशन अलाउ
आज
होती?
भी फाइल कर सकती है.
अगर आज आपकी पिटीशन होती और अलाउ होती
साहब,
तो
हम कल फाइल कर देंगे.
आपकी मर्जी.
जी ठीक है. We can do
Raja
that.
Saab, the Election Commission, which is a constitutional body,
Yes, my lord.
it misled a political party,
And the
and this all crisis has been created.
Yes.
So should this court not correct that crisis?
I leave it in your lordships and my lady's hands. I am arguing the case based on the legal status granted to me by the Election Commission. If my lords and my lady wish to go through that, beyond that, and pass a judgment exercising 187 powers and do complete justice, I will celebrate that judgment. And the people of Pakistan will celebrate that judgment. Now kindly see, in the second Benazir Bhutto case, what I wanted to point out was the general overview of the statutory framework that the court adopted. A particular provision, 21(1)(b, was challenged, but the court went beyond that, looked at Article 17, looked at various rules, and said we have to give effect to Article
आप
17.
किसी चीज का कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं देख रहे हैं. वो माशाल्लाह था, उसने सारी सियासी पार्टियों को कहा था नॉन पार्टी बेस्ड इलेक्शन करें.
ठीक हो गया,
मतलब या तो आप अगर आपको करना है तो फिर पूरे प्रॉपर्ली
leave-
कॉन्टेक्स्ट दीजिए.
Sir, I leave
भाई,
that to
आप
you.
ठहर जाइए ना, फिर आप ऐसे भी कर लीजिएगा कि अपने पार्टी में ये भी कर लीजिए ना कि जो लोग माशाल्लाह गवर्नमेंट्स में होते हैं उनको हम नहीं आने देंगे, जैसे जैसे आपने एक पार्टी ज्वाइन की, उसने कहा नॉन मुस्लिम्स को नहीं आने देंगे।
चलिए
तो
सर,
आप
ये भी-
अगर जमहूरियत की फिक्र है तो ये बातें भी कर
ये
लिखवा
करेंगे,
देना।
it evolves. Everything
ये अब आप हमें क्या पढ़वा रहे थे, हम कितनी तरह पढ़ चुके हैं।
सर इसको चले, मैं नहीं पढ़ता, आप सिर्फ ये पेज पे
Mr. Raja, एक और भी सवाल आता है कि when we talk about selecting a political party,
Yes.
then you say that there was a conscious decision. So what is that you really loved about SIC and joined them?
That's a political decision.
No, that's what I want to understand, because आपने कहा conscious decision, there were 13 parties on the shelf at that time.
Well, what-
You chose a
Hamid
party
Raza-
that it does not allow non-Muslims to become members of the
ये
parliament.
तो चीज I think we will
So
have
what attracted
we
you?
will have them
Did
amend this.
that attract you?
नहीं, that did not.
नहीं, so what
We
is
will
the
have that
future?
amended.
No, just on the side, just to
मैं
understand.
अब आप एक political सवाल कर रहे हैं.
Political सवाल है बिल्कुल.
I-
What was the thing?
So I was not privy to the internal discussion that went on, but my feeling is, what I do know is that Hamid Raza Saab, the chairman of this party, had announced before the election that he would merge with us, and he was in fact going to contest as a PTI candidate. The only reason he ended up contesting as an independent, and an observation was made that even Hamid Raza of the SIC contested as an independent, is because we had an arrangement with him and he was going to contest as a PTI candidate. So when PTI was declared to be a party that could not put up candidates, he ended up being an independent also. So this arrangement was already there. We were coming together.
He did not even contest his own party.
No, he was going to contest in a PTI ticket. sir.
Serious?
Yes, he was contesting on a PTI.
रजा साहब रिटर्न कैंडिडेट हैं
सलमान साहब एक मिनट के लिए
उनको कोई और भी हैं रिटर्न कैंडिडेट उस पार्टी के सिर्फ हामिद रजा साहब अकेले हैं?
ऐसा है, और उसके बाद दो और इलेक्ट हुए हैं। हुआ ये था कि 8 फरवरी को एक हल्के में किसी की डेथ हो गई थी, वो इलेक्शन बाद में हुआ, उसमें भी SIC जीती है। एक और इलेक्शन बाय इलेक्शन बाद में हुआ, उसमें भी SIC जीती है, एज SIC जीती है।
आपके जो मेन पहले कैंडिडेट हैं हामिद रजा, वो तो इंडिपेंडेंट लड़े।
वो इंडिपेंडेंट हुए।
At that time there was
Because
उस टाइम पे
they
ये
declared सब-
सीटों का मामला हुआ, उस वक्त एक भी सीट नहीं थी उनके पास, वो इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट थे।
इलेक्शन में आज पार्टी नहीं उन्होंने
क्योंकि
पार्टी
उन्होंने PTI का टिकट देना था। जब इन्होंने कहा हम PTI के टिकट नहीं लेंगे, तो then he ended up as an independent.
अब आपने मुझे कंफ्यूज कर दिया। आपने कहा जो इनके चेयरमैन है वो इंडिपेंडेंट लड़े,
जी, he was
अपने पार्टी पे नहीं लड़े।
he was contesting as a PTI candidate.
उनने सर्टिफिकेट क्या दिया अपने
आप
नॉमिनेशन
वो किस
पेपर में?
पार्टी में हैं? मतलब
Did
ये
he
तो आपने
join
बिल्कुल-
SIC later on?
उनने अपने नॉमिनेशन पेपर में क्या 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 क्या
Faisal
कहा?
साहब can respond.
जी,
तो आप ये आप
आप
हमारे
बताएं
सामने
बताएं जरा
खड़े हुए
उसने
हैं,
did he
petitioner।
फैसल बताएंगे।
उनने नॉमिनेशन पेपर में PTI लिखा या अपना इंडिपेंडेंट लिखा?
I have to check that.
चेक क्या मतलब यूर पिटिशनर
चेयरमैन का नहीं पता आपको अपनी पार्टी?
I'm not aware of the nomination. He contested as an independent.
आप क्या
No,
कहते
no.
हैं?
The document at page 98 which answers my lord's query.
क्या है वो?
क्या है?
It's the certificate of the chairman where he writes to the ECP and he says, I am now joining SIC. I
That's not answering the
contested as-
question.
आपसे
No, in the
पूछा गया
nomination-
नॉमिनेशन पेपर में उसने क्या लिखा?
अपना क्या लिखा?
Nomination paper.
मतलब आपको यही नहीं पता है फैसल साहब?
Sir, I'm not aware.
petitioner
No,
before
no,
us.
but I'm not aware of the nomination paper, sir.
तो फिर आप क्या कर रहे हैं हमारे सामने?
देखिए, we have taken the position. We have always
टेकन द पोजीशन है, हम फैक्ट लिख
जी मैं फैक्ट ही आपको बता रहा हूँ। SIC did not contest the elections on
मैं
party
आपसे
platform.
इंडिविजुअल का पूछ रहा हूँ जो पिटिशन नंबर 2 हैं,
जी
उनके मुतालिक पूछ रहा हूँ।
सर मुझे उनकी
Petitioner number
नॉमिनेशन
2
पेपर का नहीं मालूम, बट SIC did not contest the elections.
यानी उसको SIC ने आपके जो पिटीशन नंबर 2 है उसको एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं दिया।
सर अब मुझे ये तो नहीं मालूम नहीं दिया, लेकिन उन्होंने कंटेस्ट किया एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट।
यस, तो इसका मतलब है कि सर्टिफिकेट उनके पास नहीं, जिसको आम अल्फाज में टिकट कहते हैं।
जी।
टिकट उसे नहीं मिला।
आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द नॉमिनेशन, बट ही कंटेस्टेड एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट। ये मैं कह सकता
वही
हूँ। सर सिद्दीकी साहब,
सर्टिफिकेट
जरा प्लीज ये बताइएगा।
complete disclosure shall be made. That certificate stopped happening. In of all material facts, you don't know who petition number 2 is. You don't know if he contested as an independent PTI.
No, I said he contested as an independent. I
And then
didn't say
then where is Sunni Ittihad Council then? Did he join them?
नॉमिनेशन पेपर में एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट अपने
ये भी
आप को
हम-
डिक्लेयर किया
ये तो
या
आप बताएंगे।
PTI का कैंडिडेट
सर ये मुझे जरा नॉमिनेशन पेपर में
ना,
देखना
अगर तो PTI का डिक्लेयर किया
जी।
देन ऑल टुगेदर द केस इज डिफरेंट। The PTI joined a PTI.
जी I have to check the nomination paper. I don't
Case
think
is over.
जी
When the case is over.
No, by tomorrow.
What are you doing? You are a petitioner before us.
Sir, I don't think.
बच्चे खत्म हो गया आपका कर लीजिए। सलमान साहब खत्म हो गया।
I didn't think his nomination papers were relevant. That is why.
Fine, you don't think, we
Sir,
think.
in this note, I was at page 5. So I'm urging the court to kindly peruse this note at some length. I'm not reading it. At
हम जो सवाल पूछते हैं जवाब नहीं मिलते हैं मगर नोट्स हम पे पढ़वा रहे हैं जजमेंट्स कोई आप फॉर्मुलेशन में बताएं ना
की formulation तो
You've gone through the case law, Mr. Salman.
हम पढ़
Anything
लेंगे
else that
इसको
you have to say?
ना। इसको अभी और भी लोग आर्ग्यू करना है
I'm going to finish in 3 minutes. Kindly see at page 8 is a formulation in paragraph 9 in italics that I've placed. Now this is regarding the filing of lists. Now if we say the filing of lists is part of the machinery provisions
माइक आगे करें।
in Article 51(16). My submission is that the filing of list is not a constitutional principle, it is a machinery provision. When a list is to be filed, as my friend has said, Faisal, 51(6)D or E don't specify a time. And there is nothing that stops the filing of a list after the situation has become clear after an election, and it takes 3 days to scrutinize. It is at that point that everybody can file their nomination papers. Even otherwise, from 18th to the 22nd was the time period for scrutiny of candidates. They extended it by 2 days to 24. So it is generally 4 to 6 days that scrutiny takes place. So that scrutiny could have taken place at any time after the general election as well, 8th of February. And my submission is that a machinery provision should not be allowed if otherwise it is found that Article 51(6)D and E entitles us to reserved seats, the fact that a list was not filed. Now, Section 104 itself does not specify a time period. If it does, if it is to be read with Section 57 and to say that the time period as specified for the general election seats is the time period for the reserved seats as well, then my submission would be that the facts of this case bring out the unconstitutionality of this provision. So either Section 104 should be read down to say that it does not require that lists be filed before the date of the general election for direct seats. That is one way of
Section
saving.
104 की जो लिस्ट है ना, it is not dependent upon the joining of independent candidate. वो आपको पहले देनी होती
जी मैं यही अर्ज कर
आपको
रहा हूँ
पहले नहीं पता होता कि इलेक्शन जीतने के बाद
जी।
4 सीटें होंगी और मुझको 40
जी
सीटें
मैं यही अर्ज कर रहा हूँ
नहीं ये जो आप कह रहे हैं ना 104 में
जी।
104 में मैकेनिज्म दिया हुआ है पूरा इस
जी मैं अर्ज ये कर रहा हूँ कि there are two ways to read
आप उसको
104.
लिंक कर रहे हैं इंडिपेंडेंट सीट से वो लिंक नहीं होती
जी,
वो
मैं
आपको जब नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने जब ही देनी है
जी मैं
आपको
यही अर्ज कर रहा हूँ जी मैं
ठीक है और प्रायोरिटी देनी है उसके
जी, मैं
अंदर
अर्ज
1
कर-
2
मैं अर्ज कर
3
रहा हूँ।
4 सीटें आएंगी
मेरी पोजीशन
प्लीज उसको मिक्सअप ना करें
नहीं, सर, मेरी position-
मिक्सअप नहीं होती
Twofold.
उसमें टाइम नहीं है उसमें टाइम की जरूरत नहीं है
सर, मैं अर्ज-
Because आपको पहले फाइल करना है अपने
नहीं क्यों करना है
इलेक्शन से पहले
सर, आइन तो नहीं ये कह रहा ना पहले
आइन की बात नहीं है ना
आइन तो जनरल
mechanism है।
आइन जनरल सीट्स के लिए
It says law. If
Law
you
है
don't law like the law of Pakistan,
Yes.
either you challenge it or get it.
I am challenging it. So in my
जब वो हट जाएगा फिर देखेंगे.
नहीं सर इसमें किया हुआ है मैंने चैलेंज ना
You can't do it like this.
Why can't I do it sir? देखिए even in the Peshawar High Court
Okay, fine, you can do it.
sir एक
fine.
मिनट in the Peshawar High Court
आपने तो
also
I don't need to argue.
Sir, मैं-
साहब नॉट चैलेंजिंग 104
सर इन
पेशावर में किया
नहीं नहीं सर उन्होंने उसको कहा है कि the alternative is keeping it.
alternative नहीं has not argued any on the violence of
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही था
सर मेरी गुजारिश सुन ले I am challenging
he
it.
has not addressed the
Sir,
violence
I am challenging it.